Thank you, Alexa. Congratulations to the recipients of the Bronze Partner Award, starting with Kobe Zain. Carol De Leon. Vanessa Gonzalez. Rizali Pascual. Honey Canoy. Joanna Guevara Marin. Nicole Christine Vida. Maria Erica Murillo. Miss Janeline Yulion. Anna Jo Gapo. Aryan Moscoso. Team Andaya. Charlene Elma. Marites Anyanin. Alje Digil. Congratulations once again. Thank you, Ms. Alexa, for joining and presenting the award, and Ms. Anna Magawas. And congratulations once again to our Bronze Partner Awardees. And we wish you more success with Lux Beauty and Wellness Group. And let's just pause for a while to adding awarding, as now we have an exciting news for everyone. So lahat ayan, listen everyone, and we promise to give amazing prizes tonight. That is why we are very fortunate that Zion Philippines will give a massage chair ayan, sa ating lucky winner, not just one but two. So, to help us, may I call on ang napaka-fresh, napaka-manipis na Chief of Staff, Ms. Anna Macawas. Make some noise for Sir RJ Macaraig! Sir RJ! Napaka-fresh naman ni Sir RJ. Sir RJ, ayan, dito po tayo. So, ayan, kindly listen. Kindly take out your phones. Ilabas niyo po yung mga phones niyo. We will be needing your mobile phones for this game. Okay. You are ready? We will be giving a number, mobile number. The first one to call yung number na sasabihin ko will take home the Zion massage chair. Again, may sasabihin ko akong mobile number. Kung sino mo unang tatawag, hawak ko ni Sir RJ yung phone, ang siyang mananalo ng ating Zion Philippines massage chair. So with that, kindly listen. 0, 9, 1, 7, 5, 2, 1, 4, 8, 5, 1. Again, that's 0917-521-4851. And we have the lucky caller. Now speak that, sir. Hello? Ano ba pangalan niyo? Bernadette! Nasaan ka, Bernadette? Bernadette, come on, congratulations! You just won a Zion massage chair. And with that, we would like to go on. The CEO of Zion Philippines is Mary Cruz to join us if she is still here. Miss Mary, if you're still here. If not, and congratulations pa rin. Nanalo ka, Bernadette, ng Zion massage chair. Ang swerte naman ni Bernadette. Ayan. Picture na tayo. Congratulations. So, we will be in contact with you, Ms. Bernadette, on how you will claim your prize. Meron pa tayong isa. Thank you, Sir RJ, for joining us. Okay, congratulations. Meron po tayong isang mamimigay. So, kindly stay until the end of our program. Malay nyo kayo na magpumili ng isang massage chair. So, it's time to move on to our next set of award. This time, the Silver Star Distributor Award. This award recognizes your outstanding achievement of distributing 50,000 boxes. So with that, we would like to call on Ms. Anna Macawas to present the award, together with Ms. Zainab Haraki. This award recognizes the outstanding achievement of distributing 50,000 boxes. Your drive and determination continue to shine bright in our growing community of distributors. Our Silver Star Distributor awardee will receive a certificate, trophy, 100,000 pesos cash, and Lux Slim Booth. Congratulations, our first awardee, Miss Anna Marie Katakudan. Miss Lian Dumenden de la Cruz. Miss Maylene Montoy. Superstar Distributor Award. Thank you, Ms. Zainab, for presenting the award. Ayan, let's have this moment. One of Lux Baby, Ma'am Anna. Thank you so much, Ms. Zainab. Thank you, Ma'am Anna. Okay, congratulations. And to our Silver Star Distributor Awardee, 100,000 pesos cash. And congratulations, deserve yan after your hard work and dedication for the brand. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure you've been enjoying all the surprises we had so far, but we have more surprises. That is why I'm so excited to share this special announcement with all of you Luxers. It's time to meet our Miss Universe Philippines Muntinlupa. Everyone, let's watch this video.
From the heart of Muntinlupa, a new queen is about to rise. Fierce, empowered, exceptional, inclusivity. Representing Muntinlupa City in Miss Universe Philippines. Watch the journey of Muntinlupa's very own as she competes for the crown.
Win-win! Buong Muntinlupa ay susuporta sa'yo. Go for the win! Maraming salamat sa lahat ng suporta mo para sa kababaihan ng Muntinlupa. Basta Muntinlupenyo, win-win tayo. Mga Muntinlupenyo, sana masuportahan niyo ako sa journey ko sa Miss Universe Philippines. Muli ako po si Teresita Sendo Wimpin Marquez, your Miss Universe Philippines, Muntinlupa.
It's a life, it's a style, it's a name, it's bliss.
see you again. And earlier we had our salutation ceremony. So now we would like to call on Miss Ana Macawas, Miss Universe Philippines, Muntinlupa Local Director. Palaban natin si Miss Ana with this new venture. Grabe si Miss Ana. Miss Ana? And go ahead, Winwin, maybe you would like to greet all of our Luxers.
Hello po, magandang gabi sa lahat po ng Luxers dito. Lahat nagniningning, napakaganda, napakagwapo. It's really nice to meet all of you and thank you for the warm welcome.
Ginulat mo naman kaming lahat sa production number mo.
Nako, syempre, mana ako sa'yo.
Sa isa, di ba? And yes, Luxers, let's all welcome Winwin Marquez. And she's representing Miss Universe Philippines Muntinlupa. And we as the local director, we will do our very best, of course, to support you, to guide you, and syempre, to inspire more Filipina na walang, hindi dapat ilimit ang sarili. And ayun yung gusto mo, diba? Yun yung isa sa gusto mo parating sa mga tao. That, again, age is just a number.
Age is just a number and there is no expiration date
For dreaming. Yan, di ba? Very inspiring. And let's all support Winwin Marquez na yung Miss Universe Philippines 2025.
Once again, palakpak po natin si Miss Winwin Marquez and Miss Ana Macawas. Before you leave the stage, Winwin, ayan, I would like to ask you and then Miss Ana to step beside the stage because we will be showing a surprise video for you. So everyone, let's all watch this.
First of all, I am so excited for you. This is going to be one journey of a lifetime, and I know that destiny is aligned with you. You will get everything that you've prayed and manifested for. I know how hard you've worked. I know how long you've been thinking about this, and I know that you will execute at the best of your abilities. This is going to be a whirlwind of experiences. It's going to be a roller coaster ride. There will be a lot of ups and downs. Trust me. And I just can't wait to see how your destiny unfolds. Again, it's all about your belief and your purpose. The universe will always align. The universe is always.
Hi, Win. Congratulations for winning Miss Universe Philippines Muntinlupa. Oh, diba? I am so excited for your journey, and I know you're going to make us so proud. I'm also a fellow resident of Muntinlupa, so I'll be here cheering for you. Good luck and God bless.
Hello, Lynn. How are you doing? I'm so happy that you're joining the beauty pageant. Just want to let you know that I wish you all the best, and you always have my support. I love you, Tita. Good luck.
A round of applause, everyone. Once again, ayan, good luck, Miss Winwin Marquez, on your Miss Universe Philippines 2025 journey. Ayan, with Miss Ana Macawas, you're in good hands. Congratulations. Miss Ana, congratulations. I'll request you to stay po, Miss Ana, because we will be calling once again itong mga distributors na to have their moment on the catwalk and to have their photos with Miss Ana Macawas. So as I call your names, lahat po ng aking babanggitin na pangalan, please come up on stage. Nicole Christine Vida, Maria Erica Murillo, Tony Rose Solis, Juby Ilagan Raspado, Jeneline Eulorian, Maricel Calilo, Catherine de Guzman, Maurice Bimayakya, Michelle Abanika, Noni San Felipe, Cheryl Lorica, Lisa Omanito, Jeremy Tan, Maria Lourdes Tombado, Charmaine Irish Orlada, Mianing Saloka, Merly Azania, Sherilyn Lim Feliciano, Christy May Avanzado, Ginaline Lorenzana, Kimberly Ramos, Glenda Arcibuche. And after photos, before you exit, let's start na lang with the distributors. From this side, ayan, we would like you, ma'am, to walk on our catwalk. Ayan. Pinagawa namin yan para sa inyo, para ma-flex nyo yung mga outfit nyo. Tuloy-tuloy na po Ayan. Dito po, paikot lang para ma-irampan nyo naman yung mga kasuotan nyo tonight. But first, strike a pose with Miss Anna Macawas. Picture muna tayo. Can we have the other distributors on and the other side para balance? Once again, ayan, congratulations sa itong mga loyal distributors natin. Okay, please do your catwalk. Palakpakan naman po natin. Parang Miss Universe lang, oh. Malay nyo, kayo na yung susunod na representative. Remember, si Miss Anna Macawas, ang newest director ng Miss Universe Philippines, Muntinlupa. Okay. Okay, Miss Anna, this time naman po, ito, sorry Miss Anna, ang dami nating inandang surprises kasi. So actually, we only have 3 nominees here for Best Dress, but can I ask you, ma'am, baka pwede mong dagdagan? Baka gusto mong dagdagan, may nakita ka dito, stunning talaga, talagang nag-shine siya tonight. But first, I would like to call on Maxine Trinidad, Mac Baypoy, Stacy. Ayan, ginakuha ng namin, director yung surname. Sino po si Stacy? Sir Top, si Stacy na lang po. Ma'am, baka you would like to add, baka mayroon po kayong nasmata na talagang may something tonight. Sa dami nyo, you know?
Lahat magaganda, magkakapag sinabi ko yung magtawag.
Oo nga, yun nga rin Miss Anna eh. Pero, how about, sige, tatanungin ko na lang kayo. Baka may nominees kayo dyan for Best Dress. Paakitin nyo dito. Yung talagang, pasabog yung outfit. Paakitin nyo. Halika dito. Come on. Halika na. Lalaki. Yung mga tinawag kong name again, please join us. Maxine, Mac, Stacy. Okay. O, ma'am, halika dito. O, ma'am, sabi ko sa'yo eh. Dinala mo ang disco ball eh. Okay. Be careful. Ganda naman na lang. Okay.
Guys, nakita ko na si Kai. Nasa loob.
We have a lot of gorgeous faces.
Ang ganda ni Kai.
Grabe naman. Okay, there you have it. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Meron ba tayo?
Nagkasama kami sa isang holding area. Ano?
Huwag niyo daw i-end. Huwag daw i-end.
Okay. So for us to determine
thank you po sa buhay mo. Thank you daw sa buhay mo.
We would like you to walk on this stage and strut off your outfits. Okay, ready na ba kayo? Pero magpapakilala muna kayo ang dami bigla.
Ayusin mo daw.
Okay.
Magsikay na.
Ang dami.
May mabantaan natin yung buhay ko dito.
Ay, si Anna Macawas in restaurant.
1K.
Medyo madami-dami. Ma'am Anna, please be our judge. Miss Anna po ang mag-a-assess. Sino ba sa inyo? Okay. Dito tayo. Please don't press. Dito po tayo. Urong po tayo dito sa ating site para makita ang outfit nyo. So, ayan. As I call your candidate number, please do introduce yourself. Then, ikutin mo yung rampa na yan.
After neto ako pa.
Okay, are you ready?
Ako muna. Pero nakasama ka na si Kai sa loob.
Nakita ko sa labas nga.
Okay, ready na siya. So So please give it up for
Oh, ang ganda nga na yun, no?
number 1.
Parang gusto ko na i-end na kasi nakakalay na yung kamay ko.
Laway mga kamay!
Kasi naiya ako kanina sa kanya eh. Pero same kami holding area. Naiya lang ako sa kanya. Mukha naman siya mabait. Legit!
Paano ulam?
Pero wala akong ayuda. Wala akong ayuda, guys. Basta na po.
Candidate number 2.
Good evening, Losers! I'm Mac Michael, Provincial Distributor ng Taguig!
Ano? Tawag-tawa ako sa nakita ko may ibon.
Saan?
Joke lang. Mano ulam?
Ayaw magpatalo ni Mac. Mac, dito ka muna. Mac, dito ka muna. Please go back here, Mac. And please give it up for candidate number 3.
Hindi talaga eh. Hanggang matatapos talaga siya dito.
Hey! Malaman si Max! Sabog!
Grabe naman.
Pasabog!
There you have it. And now, please give it up for our male candidate number 2.
Hi, minasan konbanwa. Joke lang. Hi guys, good evening. My name is Yuki Australia, and nice to meet you all.
Bother ka talaga. Ibas na yan.
Sa mga fans ni Kai.
Tanong mo.
Ano sa tawag sa mga fans ni Kai? Kay Kai Stars, kay Finity,
Wala.
kay Natix, kay Ulam.
Kai Mates.
Oh, Kai Mates.
Kai Mates.
Kai Mates. Hello, hey.
Eh. Kai Soto daw. Si Raulo.
Kyrie. Luto yan, di ako tinawag. Joke lang. Feeling talaga ako.
Feeling yan, no? Feeling.
Feeling sa tinapay.
Now let's welcome female candidate number 4.
Hi everyone, my name is Grace Hernandez, City Distributor ng NCR.
Please give it up for candidate number 5.
Hello, Maya Cobenny. I'm Ana Marita Kamutan, PD Distributor po ng Pampanga. Kung mo ka na rin mga labo ko makasakit.
Mami Yuko. I'm a cancer patient warrior, and I'm a freelance talent on ABS-CBN and GMA7.
Candidate number 7.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Jenny in the rap province.
Candidate number 8.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Rio Reza Angela, District Distributor of Tansa Cavite. Yun lang.
Candidate number 9.
Hello, good evening, everyone. I'm Regine Javier, distributor from Bulacan!
End ko tong live, sige.
Hello, Luxers! Okay ba kayo dyan? Kamusta naman ang suman? I'm Osking, RMM, City Distributor ng Antipolo, City Distributor ng Marikina, City Distributor ng Pasig! Ang 8 taon na ang kasa ko. Salamat po, Ana. Thank you po.
There you have it. Palakpakan naman po natin our candidates for the best dress for tonight's Thanksgiving party. So with that, magagaling naman sila lahat eh. So like any other competition, may mag-shine talaga. So we would like to request the results of our best dress competition. Can we have the result, please? Ayan, drum roll muna tayo. Okay, nako, ito na. Urong po tayo dito. The best dress for tonight will receive 5,000 pesos. Male and female. Ang swerte ng lalaki, dalawa lang silang maglalaban. Dalawa lang maglalaban sa lalaki. Okay, 5,000 pesos in cash and a sash. And this award will be presented by Miss The Best Dress Award will be presented by Miss Elma Asagra, and Doc RFD. Palakpan naman natin si Elma, one of our ambassadors, and ayan, ang napaka-famous na si Doc RFD. Doc, si Miss Elma. Sino sa tingin nyo? Sa mail, dalawa lang yung lalaki. 1 or 2? 1 or 2? Sa lalaki. Sino? Okay, let's see. The best dress for male category, receiving 5,000 pesos in a cap and a sash. Congratulations, candidate number 1, not by Gwen. Okay. Close fight kayo, bro. Dalawa lang kayo eh. Close fight. Hatian mo na lang, ma. Joke lang. Congratulations, ma. Diyan ka muna, ma. Sasamahan ka ng ating best dressed female. And our best dressed female category, receiving 5,000 pesos and a sash. Sino? Dito, sino? Candidate number 2. Candidate number 2. Okay, congratulations. Mama, ikaw yun. And as confirmed by our director, ikaw ang ating best dressed female. Palakpakan po natin. And palakpakan niyo rin po yung ating ibang best dress. You're not selected to ramp on this stage for no reason. Lahat kayo stunning tonight. Thank you so much. You may now go back to your seats. Thank you for showcasing yung inyong mga outfit. Para pa muna natin. Thank you, Doc RFD. Thank you, Doc RFD and Miss Elma. Diyan muna kayo. Ayan, picture muna with Doc RFD and si Miss Elma. Congratulations sa ating best dress, di ba? All your efforts are paid. Grabe yung yung mga outfit nila. So, deserve naman nila yan. So, with that, we would like to request yung ating mga best dressed winner. Thank you sa Doc RFD and Miss Elma. Bigyan niyo muna kami ng ramp pa, kayo dalawa. Sabay na lang kayo. Ayan. So, dito ka, dito. Mag-ikutan na lang kayo. Then, meet kayo. Okay, presenting to you our best dress for tonight. Once again, congratulations sa ating best dress for tonight. You may now go back to your seats. Ayan, deserve niyo yan. Congratulations. So now before we announce the final batch of awardees, it's time to take a moment to celebrate the success of our outstanding distributor. So once again, please direct your attention on the screen and let's all watch this video.
Hi po, I'm Rachel Martinez. I'm a housewife, I have 8 kids, and 3 years na po regional distributor for Lux Clean and Skin. So nanonood lang kami ako, tapos follow, ganyan, comment. So, yun. Talaga ako nun kasi yung Lux Wipes kasi maganda siya, maliit lang siya, pero pwede mo siyang gamitin body and sa face. At the same time, pwede mo siyang gamitin pang-wipe sa mga luxury bags. Meron ako nung time and sabi ko, try ko kasi pinapakita ni Miss Kay paano gamitin. Tsaka talagang ano siya, effective, hindi nasisira yung bag. Makikita mo kasi kay Miss Kay, pati sa mga kaibigan niya, pag nagla-live siya, na talagang pinopromote nila. So, hindi talaga kami. Tapos meron din yung cucumber tsaka 4 seasons na juice. So, isa din yun na talagang bago sa market para sa akin. Kasi nung tikman ko siya ko, hindi kasi ako minom ng 4 seasons na juice na kahit anong 4 seasons. Kasi parang for me, iba yung lasa. So, nung natikman ko yung 4 seasons, tapos low calorie yun, napabili talaga kami. Isang beses lang ako bumili, tapos nag-collect yung one sachet, nag-inquire na kagad ako kay Miss A paano mag-distribute. Nung narinig ko dun sa live ng mamana na open na siya for distributor, so nag-order ako. Pero actually, before pa kami nag-order, alam na ako sa husband ko, nag-decide na kami na, mag-distribute tayo na. So, nung natikman namin, dun namin talaga na-realize na ano talaga siya, pinag-isipan na product. Nung nagsimula po ako, provincial distributor lang for Muntinlupa. So, kasi sabi ko, wala pa naman ako masyadong downline distributors na pwede pagbagsakan ng product din. Focus ko kasi is SRP selling talaga, yung online store at doon mabibigyan. So, pumasok ako as provincial distributor. And then after a year, nagtanong ako kay Miss A kung pwede ba akong mag-apply o magkakatiwalaan na to be a regional distributor. Nagpapasalamat naman ako kay Miss A kasi nagtiwala din po siya for me to be a regional distributor. Kaya doon po nagsimula na unti-unting dumadami yung orders namin, naging bulto-bulto na. Personally, fulfilling siya. Kasi, alam mo yung nakakapag-stay ka lang pa rin sa bahay, naalagaan mo yung pamilya mo, pero at the same time, meron kang income na nakukuha by selling the Lux Lean. Ang isa talaga for me na grabe yung effect is yung brand awareness at tsaka dedication ni Miss A sa product. Kasi makikita mo sa kanya na talagang sinusuportahan niya yung mga distributors, meron siyang mga marketing plans para sa pag-brand awareness ng Lux Lean. Number 1 yun kasi pagka alam mong tutok yung brand owner, yung CEO, ibig sabihin, mahal niya yung product niya, aalagaan niya yung reputation product niya. So, hindi yan magiging basta-basta lang ng product. Sigurado ka na may kalidad kasi nakataya yung pangalan ng brand owner. May mga buyers po kami na even galing sa ibang bansa, bibili sila dito as in bulto-bulto, dadali nila kasi as supply nila for 1 year sa ibang bansa. So, kapag narinig mo na may mga ganong customers na grabe mag-hoard ng product for 1 year, mapapabilib ka talaga na talagang sila mismo is at nagpapatunay na ganun ka-effective yung product. Yung mga distributors naman po, yung mga nangangarap na kahit paano may konting income, side income, try Lux Lean kasi makikita niyo po kung gaano ka-supportive brand owner natin, mga distributors. Gaano ka-mahal ng mga loyal customers.
Payag ba kayo ito si Kai?
Sinasabi ko nga talaga sa mga distributors namin, yung mga bagong, mga gustong
malapit na si Kai!
Sa kanila, masipag ka lang mag-post, masipag ka lang na ipakilala yung product, for sure magkakaroon ka ng benta. Kasi hindi siya mahirap i-benta. At makikita niyo po na ang pagtutulungan ang magdadala sa atin sa kabenta. Miss A, I love you! Miss A, thank you so much po.
She loves me.
Pagmamahal at tiwala at lahat.
Guys, we love you. We love you all.
Sa lahat ng pasensya at sa lahat ng wisdom and knowledge na binabahagi niyo po sa amin. Isa ka sa mga pinaka-mabait at very, very generous na brand owner, CEO, at talaga naman po nagpapasalamat kami na binigyan niyo kami ng opportunity na maging parte ng Lux Lean. So, thank you so much po and we're praying continuous ang paglago ng Lux Lean. At one day, makikita natin sa buong bansa, iba't ibang parte ng mundo, meron ng Lux Lean na Pilipinas. Thank you, ma'am. Ako si Rachel Martinez, NCR Regional Distributor ng Lux Lean and Skin.
Guys, ba't ako ayaw niya ako stop? Andun si Kai.
There you have it. Once again, thank you so much for sharing those inspiring stories. Alam mo, kulang yung event na to para marinig natin lahat ng kanilang testimonials. So now it's time to move on to our next set of award. This time, we have the Golden Circle Distributor Award. This award will be presented by Ms. Anna Macawas together with Ms. Connie Season. Palakpak po natin si Ms. Connie Season. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. This award, of course, will be given to those who achieve 100,000 boxes because this is a milestone worth celebrating. Your hard work, persistence, and dedication have earned you a place among the top tier distributors of Lux Beauty and Wellness. Our Golden Circle Distributor Awardee will receive certificate, trophy, 250,000 pesos cash, and Lux plus hotel accommodation. Congratulations to our first awardee, Miss Charmaine Rodolfo Bunda.
Wow. Grabe, no? Mag-art na lang ako.
He's on the stage. Ayan, para naman mai-showcase po ang iyong award. Palakpakan naman po natin si Ms. Charmaine Rodolfo Buda. And now our second awardee is Ms. Rosemary Latag. Once again, congratulations to the recipient of the Golden Circle Distributor Award. And now, thank you so much, Ms. Connie Season, for joining Ma'am Anna Macawas. This time, we have the Platinum Achiever Award. This award will be presented by Ms. Anna Macawas together with Honorable Sherry Ann Bulisay and Doc Alvin Francisco. A round of applause for Honorable Sherry Ann Bulisay and Doc Alvin Francisco. This award honors your success in distributing 150,000 boxes, showcasing your remarkable passion and drive. Your efforts have played a vital role in expanding Lux Beauty and Wellness to new heights. Our Platinum Achiever Awardee will receive certificate, trophy, 450,000 pesos cash, Lux Booth plus hotel accommodation. Congratulations to our first awardee, Ms. Reese De Guzman.
Ma, naka-live, inaabangan nila. Ayan na, malapit na. Ayan na guys, malapit na si Kai. Ayan na si Kai, malapit na.
And our next awardee is Ms. Pearly Binamira. Again, they will be receiving 450,000 pesos cash. Ayan, you deserve these incentives because of your hard work and dedication.
Si Kai.
Ay,
once again, congratulations.
Kasama ko, same kami holding area.
Kasama na si Kai.
Hindi ko pa siya na-approach.
Honorable Sherry Ann Bulisay.
Ano mabait siya? Nag-hi siya.
Super bait ni Kai.
Nag-ano ako sa kanya kanina.
Will still present the Diamond Elite Distributor Award.
Super bait ni Kai, as in.
Reaching the remarkable milestone of 200,000 boxes. This award is a testament to your unwavering commitment and outstanding performance. You are a shining example of what it means to inspire and succeed at the highest level. Our Diamond Elite awardee will receive certificate, trophy, 700,000 pesos cash, and Luxury Movement Plus hotel accommodation.
Oh my God.
And this prestigious award goes to
Grabe talaga.
Congrats! Hakot Award! Ito ang Hakot Award! Ito ang Hakot Award tonight, guys.
Hakot Award.
Hakot Award. Hinahanap nila si Kai. Hinahanap nila si Kai, sabi mo malapit na.
Si Kai.
Malapit.
Nasa kanya ang pera, guys.
Nasa kanya ang pera.
congratulations.
Hakot Award ka naman tonight.
Miss Lovejoy Gonzalez,
Parang every year ka na lang.
the recipient of the Diamond
Feeling ko ano,
Elite Distributor
next year 1 million na to.
Award.
1 million na next year. Ito ba yung pinakamataas mo?
Nasaan yung team ni Miss Love? Magiging naman kayo dyan. 700,000 pesos. Trophy, certificate. Meron pa rin hotel accommodation, ma'am. Congratulations. You deserve all these incentives because of your hard work. Once again, congratulations. And now we are here for the top award of this evening. Luxers, are you ready?
Guys, are you ready na daw?
But before we announce, of course, the most coveted title for tonight, we would like to take this opportunity na makasama ng mga distributors
Sana
sa
all,
Magawas for a photo op. So we will do it by region. So can we go on Region 1? Team Region 1, can we please join Ma'am Ana? Nasa po ating Team Region 1? Region 1, yeah. Please come up on stage
Sana may Coke Zero.
for a photo op. Buong team po buong team. Region 1. Headed by Miss Mylene Ondoy. Nasaan po ang ating Team R1? And we also request Mel Magawas to join Ma'am Ana for the photo opportunity. Region 1, nasa kayo Region 1? Come on, punta po tayo dito. Tapos po, line up na po tayo para tuloy-tuloy. Region 2, pila na po tayo. Region 3, Region 4A, Vismin, NCR North, NCR South, HAR, International. Pila na po tayo. Lahat po kayo, ayan, ay magkakaroon ng photo opportunity with Ma'am Ana Magawas and Sir Mel Magawas. Region 1, hindi na po kayo? Okay. Region 1, headed by Miss Mylene Ondoy. Come up on stage. Region 2, pila na po tayo. Nasaan yung Region 2 natin? R2. Region 3, pila na rin po. Para po, ayan tuloy-tuloy. Ano lang po muna natin yan, ha? Please hold your certificates. We'll just arrange mamaya yung mga actual names for photo op natin para at least, ayan, tuloy-tuloy po. Region 2, nasa po, pila na po tayo. Region 2 headed by Ms. Charmaine Bunda.
Huli mo yung sa akin, pipila lang ako. Go!
Kaya mo?
Walang mix eh.
Region 3, pila na rin tayo.
Wala bang iced tea? Wala bang iced tea?
Thank you, Region 1. Maraming salamat sa ating Region 1 headed by Ms. Maylina Doy. Oh. Dito po, ayan. Sige, rampa po tayo. Irampa niyo po ang inyong mga napaka-gagandang outfits. You guys deserve the spotlight tonight. Thank you so much. And now requesting Region 2, headed by Ms. Charmaine Bunda. Region 3, pila na po tayo, yung RP natin. Region 3 po kayo. Region 3 headed by Ms. Pearl Dinamira.
Nakita niyo yan.
And can you hold your certificates na lang? Ayan, sige po. And also, I would like to greet again ang ating team bahay. Gising pa ba kayo dyan? I'm sure na po, punong-puno na ang comment section natin sa ating live ng ating guest for tonight. Ako yung Team Kai. Maya-maya naman po, you'll witness her on stage. Kaya naman, abang-abang lang team bahay natin dyan, team online. For those who are watching us live, please do stay because we have more surprises for you. Para mapapil namin na kasama namin kayo tonight. Ay harap pa po tayo. Okay, paikot. Thank you, Region 2. Now let's go on Region 3, headed by Pearl Dinamira. O, diba? Ang ating Region 3. Thank you so much, Region 2.
Uwi na kayo?
Na kayo? Uwi na? Uwi na kayo?
Wala.
Oh my God. End ka muna. Baka maban.
Wait lang guys ha.
Next po natin is FCR North.
Ay, madam yan. Inabot lang sa akin.
Sino yung stylist?
Utos siya ng utos. Andiyan na si Kayo. Ay.
Buka muna habang nag-live.
And let me remind everyone to use our official hashtag Luxurious Night and Lux Thanksgiving Party Year 3. We hope that you can use that hashtag. So all of our photos and videos for tonight's celebration eh makikita ni Ma'am Ana Magkawas. Please don't forget to tag Miss Ana Magkawas and Lux Beauty Wellness Group official page. Again, that is hashtag Luxurious Night, hashtag Lux Thanksgiving Party Year 3. NCR South, please stand by. Headed by Miss Rachel Martinez.
Lagay ko muna dito ha.
Go, go!
Okay. You may now do your, tama na po kayo. Catwalk. Okay. Okay. Alright. Yun, dapat with the attitude, si Mama, game na game si Mama, mag-modeling na. NCR South, Line 1. Headed by Miss Rachel Martinez.
Malapit na siya.
Okay. Next natin yung line 2, NCR South. NCR line 2. Up next is NCR South Line 2 headed by Ms. Coffee Zane. Then after, rampa na po tayo. Okay, start. Ito na mag-start na. Rampa na. Siyempre, ang ating leader ng NCR South Line 1, Ms. Rachel Martinez. NCR South Line 2, headed by Ms. Coffee Zane. Again, use our official hashtags, Luxurious Night, hashtag Lux Thanksgiving Party Year 3. And also to all our guests for tonight, please don't go home yet because meron pa tayong mga surprises. Meron pa tayong isang Zion massage chair na ipamimigay. And up next is Bismin. Yung ating Bismin, Visayas Mindanao, headed by Ma'am Beatrice Paula C. Ano po ba kanyang best friend? Ma'am Beatrice Paula. ating Christmas team, headed by Miss Beatrice Paula C. Congratulations po. Next natin is Star. For the Tierra. Okay, yung ating international na lang. Okay, but first we would like to acknowledge pa rin yung mga efforts. And kahit di natin sila kasama tonight, they are still part of Lux Beauty and Wellness Group success. Okay, please do your walk. Pwede na kayo makapag. Okay, I think it's about time to do the announcement of the most prestigious award tonight. So with that, I would like to give the floor to our CEO, Anna Matauas.
And of course, this time it's time to award. Hindi ko na nalito lang ako. So ngayon, hindi na napipigla ako. Pinapro ko ba to? Ilang boxes yan? So may nakahit 250,000 boxes. Hindi pa kasama yung mga bagong products na inilabas natin. This time, let's give a warm round of applause to our deserving distributor, Miss Rachel Martinez.
Congratulations, Miss Rachel Martinez!
Tinatawag ako sa stage.
Our Grand Crown Distributor Award recipient. Aside of course from Rachel, sa 1 million pesos cash, may marireceive ka rin ng Luxury Booth plus hotel accommodation.
Sorry guys, pagod lang.
Congratulations. Please do your catwalk. Miss Rachel, congratulations. Grabe naman Miss Rachel. Miss Rachel, ayan dito ko muna. Since yan yung pinaka-prestigious award namin, we will not let you leave this stage without hearing a few words naman.
I want to thank Lux Women's Skin, Ma'am Anna, Sir Mel, for the trust and love na binibigay niyo po sa amin. Thank you for allowing us to be part of your company. And thank you so much po sa distributors namin, Team Paranaque, Team Palestinas. Wala po tayo dito humingi dahil sa inyo. So thank you so much, Ma'am Reese. Thank you so much sa inyo pong lahat. I'm really grateful and thank you, Lord. To God be the glory. Thank you po.
Congratulations, Ma'am Rachel. You deserve that award. And more success to come with Lux. Grabe. Yun ang ating mga awardees. Again, this night is dedicated for all of you. Palakpakan naman po natin ang Lux Beauty and Wellness Group and lahat ng distributors. Isang masigabong palakpakan naman. Malakas na palakpakan. You guys deserve this night. And when it comes to beauty, it's Lux Beauty Talks that set the standard. So tonight, another surprise for everyone. Let's all bear witness to the unveiling of the new Lux Skin Baby.
Ayan na guys,
Let's all watch this. our distributors and partners.
Hello, Kai! Welcome to Lux Family! So now, hindi naman ngayon. Last week pa, you're officially part of Lux Beauty and Wellness Group, specifically Lux Skin. And grabe yung fans mo today! Talagang naghintay sila! Yung mga online viewers natin. And yes, abangan nyo po yung aming live selling this coming February 11. Would you like to invite them, Kai?
Yes! Hey, Luxers! It's me, Kai. I'd like to invite you, as Ms. Anna had said, we're gonna have a live selling in TikTok. And yun ay sa Feb 11.
6 p.m.
6 p.m.
Up 1M likes. Up.
Yung product.
Yes! So, abangan nyo guys ha. Dapat isold nyo yan.
Up 1M likes.
Kumusta naman yung feeling?
Go, go, go.
You're now part of Lux Family.
Well, obviously, it's an honor. Kasi, thank you for trusting me. Thank you for trusting me to be an ambassador. And also, for inviting me tonight to sing and to perform in front of all of you. Thank you. It's such a pleasure
1M likes.
to be here to
Go, go, go.
perform in front of you guys. Yeah. Thank you, Ms. Anna.
Napakagandang bata, napakabait. And expect more from her sa Lux Skin. So marami kayong aabangan. Ang ganda ng mga shoot na ginawa namin. So stay tuned. And again, Kai, thank you so much. Welcome to Lux Family. Thank you.
Once again, welcome, Kai, to Lux Family. We look forward to see more of you sa mga campaigns na ilalabas ng Lux Beauty and Wellness Group. Thank you, Ma'am Anna Macawas. And after Kai, ayan yung team online natin. I'm sure very happy kayo to see our new Lux Skin baby. But this time, we also have some invited ambassadors, content creators of Lux Beauty and
Push
Wellness
1M,
Group.
1M likes.
So, we will not end this night without inviting them on stage. So as I call your name, please do join me. Kathleen Sam, E.G., Mako, Jess, Bricks, and Christian. And all the names that I called, please come up on stage. Lahat po ng mga tinawag na names. Kat,
1M likes,
E.G.,
1M likes.
Mako, Jess, Bricks, and Christian. Genevieve, and also Genevieve. And ang ating, palakpan nyo naman Bricks Chan, make some noise for Bricks Chan. And yung ating iba pang mga influencers. Before that, Bricks, would you like to say anything to Luxers for tonight?
Ay, magandang gabi. Good evening po everyone and thank you for having us. Si Christian naman. Actually, galing pa kaming concert. Tumapo na kami rito kay Miss A. Ayan, congratulations po dito sa ating Lux event. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you so much, Miss A, for having me here. Congratulations, you deserve all the best in the world.
Thank you so much. I'm sure our Luxers and Miss A are very happy to see you tonight. And syempre,
1M likes.
we have also another beautiful lady, E.G. Would you like to say anything to our Luxers?
Hello po, good evening, and thank you so much for having us, Mami Anna Macawas, and congratulations. Enjoy the night po. Thank you.
And we also have Jenny B.
Hi, good evening. Miss Anna, congratulations and thank you so much for inviting us. Actually, taon-taon talaga nandito kami. Hindi talaga pwedeng hindi kami kompleto. But unfortunately, kinakailangan talaga magpahinga ni Miko. But again, thank you so much, Miss Anna, and congratulations, Lux Fam.
Thank you so much, Lux Beauty and Wellness Group, and most
especially Miss Anna Macawas. Thank you so much dahil naging part kami ng Lux. So, congratulations, and sa lahat ng mga distributor and resellers, congratulations.
Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga ambassadors, and now, you will not leave the stage without doing a catwalk. So, iikot lang po kayo. Siyempre, nandiyan ka na, Miss Kat. Simulan mo na. Presenting Lux Beauty and Wellness Group Ambassadors. Starting with Kat. Come on, Kat. On the stage, Kat.
Bye-bye po. Ingat po.
Right pose. This time we have Genevieve.
Tap.
Make some noise for Jess. And Easy. Sabay na kayo break siya. Uy, walang po nyo naman. All of our ambassadors, di ba? They have a huge contribution. Siyempre, sa success ng Lux Beauty and Wellness Group. Ayan, breaks and breaks siya. Ito muna kayo. Samahan niyo muna ako because meron tayong ipamimigay na Zion Massage Chair. Can we have the cellphone? Okay. Mary Light. Oh, we forgot Mary Light. Where's Mary Light? Mary Light. Miss Mary Light. Mary Light. Mary Light. Okay, so can I have the phone, please? Okay, Briggs Christian. May tatawag kasi dyan. So, kung sino unang tumawag dyan, ay mananalo ng Zion Massage Chair. So, sila kakausap pa. Okay, you know the drill. Ready your phones. Bring out your phones. Bring your phones out. And the number is 0936027654. Go ahead, paunahan tumawag. Meron na ba? Oy, wala na ba tumawag? 0936. Okay, go ahead. Hello? Ano pangalan mo? Ayan, congratulations! Congratulations! You just won a Zion Massage Chair. Ayan, mag-photo lang tayo with Briggs and Christian together with our winner. Once again, thank you Zion Philippines for the massage chair. Maraming salamat. Okay. Ano ba? Ganap na ganap ang masquerade team natin. Okay, congratulations!
2M guys, 2M.
Thank you Zion Philippines. Pag-press na natin tayo. Ayan, gitna tayo. Thank you Briggs and Christian for presenting this special prize from Zion Philippines. Hindi pa natatapos ang sorpresa. Hold on to your seats. We are near in the end of the program. Thank you, Briggs and Christian. Maraming salamat. Palakpan po natin si Briggs and Christian. Thank you so much for joining us. Maraming salamat. And eto na nga, you know, last Christmas holidays, Lux Beauty and Wellness Group introduced this special edition holiday pack. I'm sure yung mga distributors natin know this product, yung binibenta natin na special pack na may assorted Luxleaf products. And one of these holiday packs ay merong special card which has 100,000 pesos. Sino kaya ang nanalo? Alamin natin. Let's all watch this video.
2M likes. Bibigay ko to kay Bricks and Jan.
And the 100,000 peso winner is...
2M likes. 2M likes.
Grace Astolo.
Tap, 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 tap.
Akala ko nung dati, ano lang, MME lang. Tapos napunta sa akin, totoo pala. Ito po yung...
Bibigay ko to kay Bricks, tsaka kay Christian.
Meron naman dito 100K. Na-excite ako, sabi ko baka ako mapalad ng
1.5K likes.
Sabi ko, I try again. Sabi ko, next time na lang, purchase ako.
Tap, 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 tap.
Sana. Asan ba yung 100,000 namin? Bakit wala pang lumalabas? Baka nasa warehouse pa. Dahil ako pumunta sa TikTok shop niya. Sabi ko, mag-purchase na ako. Sabi ko ako pala. Tapos nung dumating si Riders, ang excited ko ako buksan siya. Nung nabuksan ko siya, ito yung mga siya nabuksan eh. Yung red, tapos cold po. Kasi dito po ako na, naramdaman ko sa
1.5, 1.5.
Maswerte dito. Tapos nung nagtanong yung kapatid ko,
tap, tap, bilis, tap, 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 tap.
Tapos di ako ginaganon ko sa sir, nalaglag po.
Katabi ko lang Bricks and Jan.
Ito na siya.
Tap, tap.
Tapos bigla akong tanong sir, ang taas. Hindi pa ako nakain na napunta sa akin. Ito. Yes po, ang kalahati po ay magiging distributor po ako. Then, yung kalahati, kaya po sa business. Malalo po ako magsisipag para maabot ko po yung pangarap ko.
Tap, tap. Tap, 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 tap.
There you have it. Congratulations, Grace Astolo. You are the winner of 100,000 pesos.